Looking for the best tempered glass side panel but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best tempered glass side panel based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Lian Li O11 Vision is a premium gaming PC case that offers exceptional airflow and a great visual experience. Its tempered glass panels and top mesh panel provide optimal cooling performance and a unique visual effect. If you're building a gaming PC and want a case that can showcase your components, this is a great option. It's perfect for gamers who want a high-end case that can handle even the most demanding games. Number 4. The DARKROCK EC2 is a well-rounded gaming PC case that offers great airflow and a comfortable visual experience. Its mesh front panel and tempered glass side panels provide optimal cooling performance and a great view of your components. If you're looking for a case that's easy to use and provides a great visual experience, this is a great option. It's great for anyone who wants a reliable and easy-to-use gaming PC case. Number 3. The Montech X3 is a powerhouse of a gaming PC case that delivers exceptional airflow and a great visual experience. Its pre-installed fans provide massive air intake, and the RGB lighting is a nice touch. If you're building a gaming PC and want a case that can keep up with your components, this is a great option. It's perfect for gamers who want a high-performance case that can handle even the most demanding games. Number 2. The DIYPC DIY-ATX08-Wood is a stylish and functional gaming PC case that's perfect for anyone who wants a modern workspace with a touch of elegance. The walnut wood front panel is a nice touch, and the tempered glass side panel provides a great view of your components. If you're looking for a case that combines form and function, this is a great option. It's great for anyone who wants a unique and stylish gaming PC case. Number 1. The MOROVOL 621 gaming PC case is a solid choice for anyone looking for a pre-assembled ATX case with great airflow. Its fixed RGB lighting fans provide a nice visual effect, and the tempered glass side panel is both beautiful and functional. If you're building a gaming PC and want a hassle-free experience, this case is a great option. It's perfect for gamers who value ease of use and a great visual experience. It's a great choice overall. I'd definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.